Hey guys, I'm Ashley Kidd. Right now I'm on my Signature Edition XT23. For the exterior of the boat, I worked with MasterCraft on designing a gel coat that's never been used before. We're calling it Golden Hour. You'll even see the color sprinkled throughout the interior in some of the stitching. This boat comes with black SeaDek throughout, which is exclusive to my signature model. You can even find my signature on the SeaDek transom pad. I designed the interior with beach tan and jet black cool feel vinyl, and I'm really happy on how it turned out. My signature model also comes standard with a black designator, a black Z8 tower with black Chromax inserts, and black clamping board racks to create a bold, luxurious look. To learn more about my boat, go to mastercraft.com.